In today's video, we're going to take a look back at two short Efteling promotional films from the 1980s and an interesting piece of trivia not many people are aware of.
There's nothing stopping this one way!
What many people probably don't remember is that you could once rent Panasonic VHS cameras at Efteling. You could pick them up right here at Ouden Marskramer, or in English at the Old Peddler, back when the current shop was still an open-air area. You collected the camera at one of these counters. More information about the Panasonic VHS camera itself and some pretty rare footage of Efteling can be found in an upcoming, or, depending on when you watch this, already available video on our channel. A link is in the description. Efteling provided the VHS tape to record on, which included two short promotional films at the beginning. Fun fact, later, when these VHS tapes were also sold as park videos, the start of the tape was changed. Around 1984 or 85, the tape began like this. A few years later, the tapes sold in the park began like this. It's nothing major, but it's still fun to see this subtle change. Also check out the longer of the two promotional films on our channel. We've left a link to it in the description. Now enjoy the short film, which was also used as a TV commercial back in the day, and has been lovingly restored by us for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out one of these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and join our socials.